How can you sum up in 1 minute the environmental impacts of consuming meat, eggs, dairy, and fish? How it is just utterly destroying the earth. These industries are being funded by government. Government is subsidizing these industries, which is bringing the costs down to consumers, which is promoting their consumption and their purchase. These companies are profiting hugely, but they are not paying the costs, the real costs, which us human beings, all of the animals that are impacted by these industries all around the world. These industries are creating dead zones in the oceans all across the globe where oxygen is basically gone because of the manure and the fertilizer and the bacteria that results from the algae growth. And these areas are not just small little isolated areas, they are huge areas. There are other things happening. The bottom of the ocean is being completely ripped up. Trawling and dredging are two types of fishing practices. There are in aquarium fisheries, they're using cyanide fishing, which is poisoning fish everywhere, and of course everything else that lives there. They're blowing stuff up. So it's not that there's just a few specific types of fish that are being impacted because we're just plucking out these few things we like, but actually all the animals and the human beings as well that live on the coast, and of course all of us. There are birds that are being dragged on hooks to their death, turtles, starfish, dolphin, whales, all kinds of sea life, coral. It's affecting human beings' ability to fish the food that's there where they live. These few companies are making so much money at the cost of the health of our oceans, of our air, the whole world. And it's so important that we learn about these things because we really do need to go vegan. We need to stop consuming animals. Fish indeed are animals, and it's not just fish, it's just the entire health of the ocean and the land and all of the living beings here. I just hope that this compels you to look into this further, look into the impact on our oceans. If we don't stop this, the oceans are going to be empty. The water is going to be deoxygenated. We are not going to survive as a species or maybe even a planet. We really need to look into this. Make different choices. Eat plant-based, whole foods, oil-free. Do it for your health and the environment and all living creatures. Thank you.